you too is you start working like this.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You don't
set that sucker on a wall and walk away and come back.
So same thing, we're gonna, so I got contact right now. I'm gonna keep in mind where I started, and then I'm just gonna start turning. But as I'm turning, I'm gonna give it more attention so I can fade into it. Once this is fighting you, you're doing too much. It's gonna show. It's gonna show you.
I understand the value of it, but I just
You shouldn't be fighting and pulling your panel down. Okay.
Well, I kind of liked it too because when you got to that edge, it would actually lift the panel just a hair, so you knew you were there.
Yeah.
Once you got into that, you knew it was stuck. Yeah, you feel it kind of right. Right click and edit. Nice. So there. And then we'll just put it on, we'll save it. Oh, get back out. In here. So we're gonna go in here and say, I've already got 16 gauge on here. 40 amps is what we're gonna cut at. That's what we're gonna have the hypertherm set to. It's 40 amps. These go from 30 to 40. This is called sheet cam, and this is your cam side. So we made the drawing over here. We made our DXF file. And now we're going to load it in the CAM software, and that's where we toolpath it. And we select, what we're going to cut it with, what tip. There's different tips you can use. We're using right now a fine cut sink cartridge. So the fine cut has a much smaller hole in the nozzle, so you can make much smaller details.
That we talked about yesterday.
Yeah. So the flame itself, a plasma flame, comes out of this nozzle, and it comes out like this. It's not a straight beam. So the height is really important, because I don't know if you've ever seen like some rough plasma cuts, and they'll be tapered like this, like on some like 1/4 inch, just a ton of taper. Well, think of your edge of your part being cut. If both sides of the cut are tapering like this, and that flame goes like this, that means that flame was sitting like right here with the top of material. If the cut's going like this, that means it was too deep. So where we want it is right here. And if we can, it comes pretty close. This thing comes out of the box really close. But if you really want to tweak it, you can start playing with your heights and your voltage, and you can just get that centered there.
That's what
and you will, and you will have a part you can stand up on side like a laser. So we've got it fired up now. Turned it on. I hit the e-stop on here. It's just the same as hitting it there. It's flashing. Hit that again. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to start it, and you've got your X, Y, Z up here, and they're all red. We want to home this, and then they'll turn green. So I'm going to hit home, X, Y, Z. It's going to come up home Z to the top, and then it's going to come down and touch off here. And now Z, it knows that is 0. This is your home plate. Yeah.
Skateboard wheel right here? Yeah. So, I didn't even do it. Oh shit, we're here.
Get a little further over. Because you're working on this side
Yeah.
of the die. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
There you go.
Now I'm figuring out what you're doing. start. You throw it?
Yeah, I mean, I can definitely see it.
Now, do you think you want me to take it or you want to try it out? I think you can see it. You can see, I never went past it right here.
Yeah.
I opened the gap a little bit more and kind of like, I think that popping up.